Today we are going to study few more terms which used to express the concentration of solution. So the term is molarity, which is denoted by M, that is capital M. What is mean? Molarity means number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Okay. Before understanding it, let's understand what is formula of this. So molarity is moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Okay, so it can be written as we know, mole is denoted by N and volume is here. Okay, and we know mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass into, we will write 1 by V in liter. Okay, if volume is given in ml, what we will do, we will write W by M into 1000 upon volume in ml. Okay. Okay, let's understand molarity with an example. Suppose if it is given molarity of sugar solution is 2 mole, 2 molar, it means इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 2 मोल ऑफ सुगर आर प्रेजेंट इन 1 लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. इसका मतलब कि 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन में 2 मोल सुगर प्रेजेंट है. ओके ओके, वी विल राइट इट. Now let's solve one question. Question is calculate molarity of solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. अभी हमें यहाँ पे मोलारिटी कैलकुलेट करना है. जैसे कि अबव हमने मोलारिटी का फॉर्मूला लिखा है मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट. ओके, वी विल राइट मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर. ओके, तो अभी हमें यहाँ पे NaOH का जो यहाँ पे सॉल्यूट है इसका मोल्स कैलकुलेट करना है. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे एक साइड में सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. मोल इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास अपॉन मोलर मास. ठीक, गिवन मास कितना है 5 ग्राम और मोलर मास दैट इज NaOH का जो मोलर मास होता है वो 40 होता है. ओके, ठीक. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, we will cut it get 1 by 8. Okay, we get number of mole is equal to 1 by 8. Now we will place this value here. Molarity is equal to, we will write 1 by 8 into, here volume is given in milliliter. So what we will do to convert in liter, हम यहाँ पे 1000 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है, डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये जो 1000 है ऊपर आ जाएगा. एंड वी विल राइट हियर 450. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. Now when we will solve it, we get 5 9 ja 45 and it will be 20. Okay, okay, now 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. When we will solve 5 by 9 2 ja 18, we get 0.278 mole per liter. Okay, this will be our answer. Molality, it is denoted by small m. Okay, its meaning is number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Okay, first write the formula of molality, then we will try to understand with example. Number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Okay, this is the formula of molality. Okay, suppose if it is written molality of sugar solution is 2 molal. So meaning of this term is, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 1 kg it means 2 mole of sugar present in 1 kg of solvent. Difference between molarity and molality is, in molarity we had written volume, but in molality it will be mass. In molarity we had written about solution, that number of moles of solute in given mass, given volume of solution. Okay, but here we will talk about solvent. This is the difference between molality and molality. Let's try to solve one question. Okay, let's do one question. Question is calculate molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Okay, so we have to calculate molality. We had given mass of solute, that is ethanoic acid, is 2.5 gram. Okay, molar mass of ethanoic acid is, when we will calculate, we will get its molar mass is 60 gram. Okay, per mole. and the mass of solvent, that is benzene, is 75 gram. Okay, we know the formula of molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Okay, we will write capital W. So number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Since the mass of solvent is given in gram, when we will convert in kg, we will write 1000 by weight, that is mass of solvent. Okay, now we will put the value. Given mass is 2.5, molar mass is 60, and here we will write 1000, and mass of solvent is 75 gram. Okay, now when we will solve it, we will get 0.556 mole per kg. Okay, another concentration term is normality. Okay, it is denoted by N. Its formula is, or we can say directly, we can write the normality is equal to number of gram equivalent, that is number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Okay, now question arises, what is gram equivalent? So gram equivalent is equal to given mass, that is what the mass of solute is given, by equivalent weight. Now again problem, what is equivalent weight? So equivalent weight is molecular weight by valency factor. Okay, so now people will think what will be. Now what is valency factor? Actually, valency factor is nothing but it is basicity of acid and acidity of base. Okay, that is basicity of acid. Example, H2SO4, its valency factor is 2. Okay, valency factor is denoted by X. Example, HCl, its valency factor is 1. Similarly, H3PO4, valency factor is 3. H3PO3, valency factor is 2. Okay, and acidity of base. Example, calcium hydroxide, its valency factor is 2. Okay, if it is aluminium hydroxide, its valency factor is 3. Okay, so if salt is given, then valency factor is total positive charge on cation. Okay, suppose sodium carbonate is given, so the valency factor of sodium carbonate is 2. अब नॉर्मेलिटी के बेसिस पे हम एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन है कैलकुलेट नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कंटेनिंग 9.8 ग्राम ऑफ H2SO4 इनटू 50 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, तो अभी हमने जैसे अर्लियर देखा था कि नॉर्मेलिटी पता करने के लिए हमें पहले नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट पता रहना चाहिए, और ये इक्विवेलेंट वेट है ग्राम, तो हम इसको नीचे से सॉल्व करते हैं. मतलब हमें सबसे पहले इक्विवेलेंट वेट फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो इक्विवेलेंट वेट solution, now we will solve it. Equivalent weight is equal to molar mass of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, by basicity. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है तो एसिड की हमेशा बेसिसिटी होती है. ओके, तो इसका जो मोलर मास है वो 98 है और बेसिसिटी है वो 2 है, तो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो वैल्यू आ जाएगी 49. इक्विवेलेंट हमें वेट पता चल गया. ठीक है, अब हमें फाइंड करना है ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट. ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट क्या होता है कि मास इन ग्राम बाय इक्विवेलेंट वेट. ठीक, इसको हम लोग इक्विवेलेंट वेट भी कहते हैं और इक्विवेलेंट मास भी कह सकते हैं. तो मास जो है वो 9.8 है, मतलब जो गिवन मास है ये जो 9.8 है. ठीक है, और इक्विवेलेंट वेट यहाँ से हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया है, दैट इज़ 49. सो ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट इज 0.2. ओके, नाउ फाइनली वी विल फाइंड नॉर्मेलिटी. नॉर्मेलिटी इज नंबर ऑफ gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. Okay, so number of gram equivalent is 0.2 as we have solved, and the volume will be 2, as volume is given in 250 centimeter cube. Now when we will convert in liter, we will get 0.250 liter. Okay, we will solve it and get the answer 0.8 gram equivalent per liter. Okay, or we can say 0.8 normal. This is the final answer. Thank you.